This is going to be a quick video about placing sell limits and sell stops, buy limits, buy stops. Really the same code almost and inputs as the previous one, where it placed those type orders in grid fashion, and it used the same lot size on every trade. Well, there's a problem when you do that, when you use oanda in the States. If I place 5 0.1 trades, I cannot have a stop loss on any of them. So if you think about it, you're being forced to trade without a stop loss. If I sold right here a 0.1 lot size order and put a stop loss of say 100 pips, if the market fell on down and I wanted to put another one same size, couldn't do it. It's going to give me a FIFO error. You can only have each sized order can only have no stop loss or profit targets, or it can only be one of them. So if you have 5 identical sized trades, they cannot have a stop loss. If you have one trade, it can. So suppose you wanted to put 5 0.01 trades here and put a profit target on. You can't do it. The only way, it has to be different lot sizes. Well, different lot sizes is almost by definition martingale of some sort. Whether martingale is right or wrong, I don't know. Is it a good thing or bad thing? I don't know. All I know is that's the only way, using oanda and wanting to put multiple trades, that's the only way that I can do it and have a profit target and stop loss on each one. Those two things are important to me. Whether they should be important, I can't say. I can just say they are. So what we're going to do here, you can see I still do not have a sell signal. Your red line there if I did. Alma's fallen. TSR is falling. We broke below the PB band stop. The price is below the Rocky Horn waves on all but the, what is that, daily? All but the daily chart. And it's inside the wave on the daily chart. So let's just say, I'm not saying sell, but let's just say we put sell limits on here. Okay, let's see. Control Q. Hopefully this will work. Okay. See, it's the same inputs as the other. Only difference is it says martingale, and you'll see how it places the trades. Okay, let's sell limits, and the theory is the same on each one of them. And I will post the code like always on any vid site, earnforex.com, and I'll put it in the scripts we use, or various scripts or something. You'll see it there. It's under hayseed. Okay, limit orders, okay, lot size. There, that will be the first lot size. The next one will be 2. The next one will be 3. The next one will be 4. If you put that many. Let's just put 3 so you can see. 3. And let's put them, say, 20 pips apart so you can clearly see them. 20. Whoop, that's 29. Magic number, sell, let's don't sell. Comment, if you want to put a comment, you just put it right there, you know, put no comment if you don't want to put no comment. Okay, let's see here. True. Make sure you always go over these things. True. 1, 3, 20. The bad thing about having expert advisors or scripts with hundreds and hundreds of inputs is, for me, it gets complicated. So that's why I'll put martingale. I could put them all in one script to do them all. but it starts getting complicated. So it'll be a martingale sell and sell limits, martingale sell and sell stops, buy and buy limits, buy and buy stops, like that. Each one of them is on their own. Okay, so okay, now extra word here, as opposed to that other alert on the other ones. It says careful. Do you really want to place 0.1 martingale sell limits on the Euro USD? Well, yeah, we just talked. Okay, there's the first one, 0.1, 20 pips more. There's the second one, and 20 pips more. There's the third one. Now, just say, for instance, I wanted to put sell stops. Okay, control. Sell stops. See, the inputs are really the same, except for the sell stops here. Okay, let's say true. Same lot size. Now, here, if I leave it as 1, I'm going to put another 1, another 2, another 3. So I'm kind of defeating my purpose of wanting to put a profit target and a stop loss. Because first off, if I had a profit target on this order right here, the first one here wouldn't go through. It'd give me a FIFO error. But I don't have a target on anything yet, and I'm just showing you how this works. So, and you probably maybe have a broker or live in a place that you don't have to worry about this oanda deal. Stop orders. Let me say 4 this time. 4. And let me say, there's 50 pips there. 50 pips. Let's leave it at 50. Stop orders for 50. Let's don't sell. If you do sell, it's going to give you 1 at this lot size right here. So if you sell and it gives you 1 at that lot size, it's going to give you another 1 below. So there again, here in the States, I could not put a profit target on there. So it would be kind of defeating my whole purpose of this. Careful. Okay, there's another 1. There's another 2. Another 3. Another 4. Now, if I wanted to put a profit target on this one, I've got to get rid of this one. Delete. Now I can put a profit target on this one. If I want to put a profit target on the 2, I have to get rid of 1 of them. So let's just say I want to put the profit target on that one. I'll get rid of this one. You can only have, so there would be my 1, there would be my 2. Oops. Now I only have 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, and 1, 4. So I could put the things. But anyway, it might sound complicated, but it's relatively simple. I'll put the code, like always, on any vid site, earnforex.com, and it might come in handy for you. Martingale, good or bad, I don't know. And you don't have to put them 10 pips apart. A lot of times, just to split the orders up, I will put a one pip apart. You put them 1 pip apart. It's really in, say, like if you put in 4 orders, it's basically the equivalent of putting in a combined order of those slot sizes. So you might say, well, then why do it? Well, because maybe I want to scale out. I want to get rid of the 1 first and then the 2 second, like that. I can scale out by having different lot sizes. Hopefully you understand what I mean. But anyway, there you go. Any vid site, earnforex.com.